Oh my God, it's a fucking bounce, Leo. I'm selling my puts. I can't take this shit anymore. Oh my God. Leo, I misplaced my balls. I can't find them. I'm out of my puts. I can't do this. Oh my God, you want me to short the bounce? I can't fucking do it. He said he's gonna pause the tariffs. I can't do this, Leo, please. Yeah, what you need to do is go to a motherfucking mental hospital, motherfuckers. If you traded with me today and you sold your fucking positions and you didn't fucking go big on shorting the bounce, you will never ever trade with me ever motherfucking again. Guys, this is pure goddamn stupidity. Okay? You think Trump giving in to the request from Wall Street to do this is a good sign? No. Let me explain to you what the fuck just happened. Trump just folded. Do you know what that means? Okay, go study the crash of 1907. Reminiscences of Stock Operator, motherfuckers. Go read that book, you son of a bitches. You get too goddamn emotional in the wrong motherfucking moment in the market. That's how you blow your fucking accounts. Okay? Take emotions out of trading. Stop overreacting. What did I say? Market bounces. What do? You short it. You don't fucking exit on the bounce. How fucking stupid is that? Oh my God, Leo, at 5,400, I can't take it anymore. 5,450 on S&P. I'm getting out. I can't take this shit. Yeah, that's why you don't belong in fucking trading. Okay? What does this change? Do you understand that what I have recorded yesterday, all right, was saying that Federal Reserve was going to blink over the weekend? Well, the situation got so bad that after Trump gave the world his word that he's not going to fold on tariffs, that he's not going to pause, that he's not going to change anything, he just fucking folded. What does this mean? That's a bullish sign? No. 1907 study history. The fact that Trump folded. Now, why would a man that normally would keep his word fucking fold and go back on his word? Because the situation is dire. Because people on Wall Street were about to go bankrupt. Many companies were about to go belly up. They were one trading day away from fucking losing it all. And they called Trump and they begged him to change his fucking mind. That is not bullish, you fuckers. There is nothing bullish about this market, motherfuckers. Stagflation is not bullish. Just the fact that Trump changes his mind on tariffs because he has got an overwhelming pressure from multiple companies that are about to go fucking bankrupt, that is not bullish. So you short this bounce with great intensity. You short this bounce with everything you can possibly get. This is not a bounce you exit. This is a bounce you embrace. This is a bounce you fucking thank Trump for and say, thank you, Mr. Trump, for giving me one more fucking opportunity to short the fuck out of this market. You know, this is dire market conditions. This bounce is going to unwind in the next few days. There's nothing bullish about Trump folding. But yet, 99% of the traders get too goddamn fucking emotional. And that is why I said in the prior podcast, most of the people don't belong in trading, number one, because they just lack the fucking balls and they lack the pure fucking understanding of what's actually fucking happening. Okay. So they got to Trump. because many companies were about to go belly up overnight. And you're going to hear in the next few days that some of them did, and it got so fucking bad that he had to fold. And that is not a bullish thing. That is not something on which the market, okay, is going to continue moving higher. As a matter of fact, tomorrow, the next day, Monday, next fucking week, okay, I would dare to say the bond market is going to continue crashing. So the fact that Trump sent this message about the tariff pause doesn't make any fucking bit of difference, besides the fact you just got the glorious fucking short seller's entry you could possibly ever dreamt of in your life. And yet most of you, I swear to God, 90% of you are just market bitches. You fucking fold. The moment you see some fucking news, you jump out. You don't want to add on the motherfucking bounce. You chicken out. You can't. I'm telling you, motherfuckers, the market is going to go down by a minimum of 50%. We're only down 20. And with the bounce, okay, we're probably down, 13%? Well, we still got, that means we got a minimum of 37 more fucking percent to fall this year. So if you're being blind to these bounces, guys, you should be shorting the market on these type of bounces, not jumping out, not getting scared, not getting fucking emotional, okay? And if you sign up to trade with a coach here at 30 Market Moves, you'd better hold on to your fucking positions. You'd better hold to do what your coach is telling you to do. Otherwise, you're going to miss the greatest entries. You're going to miss the greatest opportunities, okay? You're going to cry. You're going to fucking complain. You're going to bitch. And the outcome of that is going to be you're just going to fuck yourself in your mind, and you're never going to make money as a trader. Just stick to the program, okay? The program is to do what? To short the bounces. We're in the biggest bear market the world has ever seen. Just one fucking message from Trump doesn't change a fucking thing, okay? With the only exception, Trump has just admitted how bad things really are. Okay? Do you need a certain fucking 13 Market Moves translator to understand what the fuck just happened? Well, I can tell you how you can get one. You go study the fucking charts. Okay, you go study history. You trade with a coach, and then you're going to have a translator of what just fucking happened. What just happened is Trump admitted that things are so fucked up that if you didn't make that announcement today, that going into the market tomorrow, we would have had a motherfucking Black Monday times 100. We would have had a fucking Black Friday times 100. Things have gotten so fucking bad that he had to go back on his word. I mean, if you don't think this is a bearish thing, man, you need to get your fucking mind checked. It would be the same thing as Federal Reserve coming out this weekend saying, okay, we're going to cut rates. I told you if Federal Reserve was going to do an emergency rate cut this weekend, okay, it would be Federal Reserve admitting to how bad the economy really is. Well, apparently it's a lot worse than what I thought, because Trump had to beat the Federal Reserve to it by putting an end to the doom and gloom today, temporarily, by sending this message that is probably the worst bearish message in the world that market is temporarily interpreting as bullish. So, you guys, fuck it. You wanna go buy calls? Go buy fucking calls. You'll see what's gonna happen to these calls in a few days. But if you really want to learn how to trade, you come to 30 Market Moves and you stop fucking around. And I'm telling you, you'd better grow a set of fucking balls. If you bring emotions to trading, I can tell you the outcome of your trading every day, every month, every fucking year. You're fucking losing because you're too goddamn emotional. You're making decisions based on your emotions. instead of based at the charts, instead of looking at what the fuck is happening in the bond market, instead of looking at what history is telling you is about to happen. And so when the most bearish message arrives, sure, I have warned you about it. If you go back and re-listen to my podcast yesterday, what did I say? I said, sure enough, the market is going to bounce. Did I fucking say that or did I not? Go listen to it. I said, sure enough, the market's going to bounce. Verbatim. And I said the market could still go into a Black Thursday and Black Friday despite of that. Okay? Now, clearly, the probability now is diminished. But it does not mean that this is not the greatest short selling entry of all times in the middle of the most bearish fucking motherfucking bear market of all times. So stop fucking off. If you're serious about making money as a trader, you go to 13mmtv.com and you trade with a coach. You go study the courses so you don't jump out of good fucking trades as a little bitch, okay, just because you get the most bearish bounce in the middle of the most bearish fucking market the world has ever seen. So, if you can't handle it, you can't fucking handle it. Okay? You might as well stop fucking trading. But if you think you got what it takes and you got a set of balls for real, you get in touch with us now. 13mmtv.com, 13marketmoves.com. Stop fucking around. Learn how to trade for real.